Let's pivot for a second. One thing I want to ask you about, Jeff, of course, is we're monitoring tropical development here on Tracking the Tropics. Is there a chance that the rain is going to have an impact on Election Day, Tuesday during the day when people are heading out there to vote? We're monitoring that development to our south, but will it impact voting on Election Day?
It's possible. It looks like the majority of rain should be Wednesday. But on the east coast of Florida, they could certainly see it as early as Tuesday. We could even start to see some showers here in the Tampa Bay area later Tuesday. The timing seems to be more Wednesday for us. But yeah, if you're watching from anywhere in the state of Florida, or really anywhere on the southeast coast, it's conceivable that there could be some implications for voting. Now, I think that the heaviest rain is going to wait until Wednesday. And I also think that it may not be heavy enough to stop people from going to the polls. Although I can imagine some people saying, it's raining, I don't want to go to the polls. I can imagine that happening.
Chances that we have Tropical Storm Nicole during election week. What are the chances of that?
Yeah, it's like 50-50. I hate to say
that
that.
High,
but
50-50.
Yeah, I would say 50-50. I know there's going to be a storm, right? The question really is it going to make that transition from what we call a cold core system to a warm core system? It's virtually impossible to predict whether that's going to happen. It has several days. I mean, the storm is going to get stuck somewhere near Puerto Rico or, to the east of the Turks and Caicos Islands as early as this weekend. And so it'll have 3 or 4 days or so to make that transition. That's enough time. Doesn't always happen, but it's enough time for it to happen.
So let me ask this one
I think
final question.
I think it's going to be subtropical if it develops.
Right.
Yeah.
Hybrid. But to combine my first two questions, the chances that we have a tropics-related concern on Election Day anywhere in Florida. I'm talking about the entirety of the state. Is that the possibility?
I think it's reasonable. Okay. I still say it's a 50% chance.
Jeff Baradelli, of course, will be monitoring the activity in the tropics, not just online, but on air on WFLA News Channel 8. He's your Max Defender 8 chief meteorologist here in the Tampa Bay area on your NBC station, WFLA News Channel 8.